let's see what would be the issue here. Okay, so log of, this is the function, right? Log of determinant of identity plus x plus ty, right? So we want to show that this function as a function of t is convex, right? So now what we will do is, this y is, by the way, xy belongs to, right? This is something that we assumed. Symmetric positive semi-definite. Now, okay, let me take the example of y. So what is y? Y, because it's symmetric, I can write it like this, right? Do you agree? You agree with this? I can write it like this, right? What is lambda here? This lambda is like this, lambda 1, right? Diagonal with the diagonal matrix with the diagonal entries being eigenvalues. So now maybe I'll yeah, this I can write it like this, root lambda 1, root lambda 2, root lambda n, root lambda 1, root lambda n, 0, 0, u transpose. I can write this. When you multiply these two, what do we get? Same thing, right? Lambda. So let me call this matrix, let me define this matrix as lambda power half, okay? It's not square root of lambda, I mean, it's just a notation. Lambda power half is basically this matrix, okay? So now this becomes what? U lambda power half u transpose. But I can also write this as u lambda power half. I can write this as u transpose u lambda power half u transpose. Why is this true? Because u transpose u is identity. Now I will call this matrix, both are same, right? I will call this matrix as y power half. Okay, you understand the notation, right? Just take the eigenvalue decomposition, u lambda u transpose, take the square root of the diagonals, and you take u lambda power half u, that is u transpose, that is y power half. Okay, so basically I'm saying y is y power half times y power half. I can write this only for y belonging to Sn plus, okay, so not in general. So now what can you say about this y matrix? Y matrix, y power half matrix. What is y power half? It's u lambda power half u transpose. Do you think it's symmetric? Obviously, if you take the transpose of this, you'll again get u lambda power half u transpose, right? Lambda power half is square root of lambda 1, lambda 2, and so on, 0, 0, diagonal, right? It's positive semi-definite, obviously, right? So there is no problem. So this z power half also, or y power half also, belongs to. Do you agree with this? Okay. Now with this, let's do something. I think we need plus plus, because we are going to take the inverse. Okay. Okay. Now I'll do one thing. F of t is log det of identity plus x plus ty. I'll write it as y power half, y power half. I can write this, right? You agree with this? Okay. Now I'll pull y power half outside. So I'll pull y power half outside. So what do I get? So I should have y power minus half here, identity plus x. Let's I might have to multiply t to x rather than t to y. Let's see that later. And then right multiplied by y power minus half. Y power minus half is the inverse of y power half. Okay, I'm just writing it as y power minus half plus t times identity. Of course, y power half is also here. Is that fine, everyone? Okay. So what is y power minus half? Let's go back.